All right, bro. Welcome to Skydive Miami. How we doing?
Feeling great, man. Feeling great. Excited.
Can I have your name?
Carlos Pulido.
What are we doing today?
We celebrated my 40th birthday skydiving.
Yeah, man. It's your first time?
Yes, sir.
You excited?
Super.
Something you've always wanted to do?
Always. Bucket list.
Turning dreams into reality today?
Yes, sir.
Awesome, bro. Anything you want to say to your friends and family before we go?
Like I always tell my daughter, we face our fears and we wipe our tears and we keep going.
Let's go. Beautiful, man. Next time that they see us will be in the plane. Happy birthday.
Thank you. That was really cool.
Congratulations.
Oh my God. Thank you.
Yo, Carlos, congratulations, man.
Thank you. My ears feel like they're gonna explode.
Yeah, so how you feeling, bro? You just got off the plane today, man.
Feel amazing. Feel amazing. 20 out of 10. Everybody should do this at least once in their lifetime.
Well, question now, would you do it again?
Absolutely. Absolutely. How many jumps I gotta do to do it by myself? 25? Let's get it. By the 4 jumps? Like jumping next to me?
Like holding on to you.
Oh, okay. Wow. Face your fears. You only live once. Face your fears. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
All right, last question, man. You good? Woo! Congratulations, bro.
Oh, man.
All right, Carlos.
All right.
You did it, bro.
Yes, sir.
How was
It
that?
was amazing, man. I can't wait to go again.
What was your favorite part? Tell me.
My favorite part was actually when I guess you were turning us around to land. It just felt like a roller coaster. That was my favorite part, probably.
All right, man.
The vertigo stopped me feeling funny, but it was pretty cool.
Awesome, man. Well, welcome to the club, bro. One more skydiver.
Appreciate you.
You did it, man.
Let's do it.
Happy birthday again.
Thank you, man. 40.
Yeah.
So good.
You did it, man.